Hey, this is section 7 of our Crash Web Tech course, and we started our work with the CSS. So we have our pretty beautiful page here, and we have all this snippet. Now the problem is that if we go to the other page that we have for the list document, the styling is not applied. So in order to apply it, we need to copy the entire style section, create a head tag here for the heading, and also place the style section here, which is cool because it works now. But imagine having a larger document if you worked longer on a real project, and you actually have few hundreds of lines of codes for styling some changes, and you also have 10 HTML files for building these changes for your website. Now what would be inconvenient is to actually go through every single file and change one line here, and then go to the other file and then change another line there, and so forth and so forth, and it's going to be really hard. So what we can actually do is to cut this content here and create a new file, which is going to be labeled after, say, style CSS. The name doesn't really matter, but it needs to be .css file because it's going to stand for Cascade Style Sheets. Whether it's going to be style or anything else, it doesn't really matter as long as we remember our name. So we are going to paste our snippet here, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to drop the old way of linking here in my document. So if I refresh the document, you'll see that the styling is gone. But now what I can do is that I can actually link the document. So I can say link rel. The relationship would be style sheet, which is what we're actually linking. The type would be style, text, CSS, and the reference would be the style CSS, and then we are also going to close the link like this. So as soon as we refresh our page, we'll see that our styling is applied. Now if we do the same, so if we copy this and place it to test HTML and save it and get back to test HTML, we'll see that everything is changed. Now, as a proof of concept, if we get to style CSS and change the green to say red and refresh, we'll see that it's changed here and changed here as well. So if we get it back to green, it's also going to be changed. So we are all good, and our changes are actually applied now.